Yo, what is up guys? KosherTech here. Today, we got a big channel update, alright? I've been waiting for this for too long now. We finally got a test bench to bench our parts. Let's get to it. Alright, so I said, it's been long enough. Let me just get some parts. I've done a full build of this rig on my Kosher After Dark. I'm gonna throw a card up there. This case, everything here, mostly everything here I've reviewed down. The case is the NZXT H500. Now, I did review this case. Again, a card is gonna be up top, but let's quickly get into the specs since I'm already talking about the case. Now, of course, the case is the H500, not the H500i, guys. I did a review, definitely check it out. Like I said, it's gonna be up there. Now, the motherboard is the Crosshair, the Asus Crosshair 6 motherboard. Now, the processor inside is a RYZEN 7 1800X. Now, of course, we got a 16 gigs of RAM, which I thought, since it's going to be a test bench, it's going to be actually the sweet spot of Vengeance, Corsair Vengeance RAM, clocked at, I believe, 300 megahertz. Also, we have an AIO water cooler in there to cool the processor. And the graphics card, of course, is the RX Radeon 580, the Power Color Red Devil Edition. And lastly, we got a SSD, a 500 gig Evo SSD in the rig. And lastly, we got a power supply. We got a EVGA G2 1000 watt power supply. Now, in my, of course, in Twitter and Instagram, people are asking me, by the way, at KosherTech Media, guys, definitely follow me there. People ask me why did I choose for a big power supply. Now, this is a test bench system. So, I want to keep that good overhead in there. That's why I chose to go 1000 watts, because I'm constantly going to swap out parts, guys. This rig is just going to be official for the time being. Now, once I get a new Mobo, once I get a new case, once I get stuff that I feel that I'm going to upgrade, I am going to throw it in this system. Now, keep that in mind. This is not official, guys, so constantly things are going to get changed around. Of course, this system is going to be benched. I'm going to test bench it. I'm going to basically, run through everything in here. We got the, of course, the card, the processor, the 1800X, the Crosshair 6 motherboard. Of course, I'm going to test bench everything. I'm going to benchmark everything, and I'm going to make a follow-up vid to this to show you guys the actual performance. Now, the price, a lot of people are asking me how much everything costs. Now, keep in mind, guys, like I said, also in my Kosher After Dark, where I live build this PC, this was in a sense of a little bit of, open box hustle, which I do a lot on my channel. Thank you, Micro Center, of course, for hooking up your boy, as always, for the open box hustle parts. But yeah, this is a bit of open box hustle and a bit of new parts as well. So it was a mixture of, some new and used hardware. At the end of the day, look, this is coming out of my pocket, so I got to hustle to provide you guys some good content. But overall, I would probably say this costs between $700 to $800. Like I said, some open box hustle and some brand new parts. Now, I believe there were basically maybe only 2 open box hustle parts. The Mobo, which it ran me $120, and the other part was the graphics card, the Red Devil card in there, which ran me $215. Now, open box hustle was all done at Micro Center, and the rest of the parts I also bought at Micro Center, and some I bought on Amazon as well, guys. But guys, this is just a quick video just to give you guys a quick update what's going on the channel. Again, all the parts are going to be in the description below, guys. If you guys have any questions, leave some comments below. Tell me what you guys think, and I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Deuces.